Kapod wantiere wach motenore kod mano en ni kaluwore gi okang' ma jood bura seyo Gavanas omenda mar kongo apaya, riwruog Gavanas tung' mosuo kendo seyo jood burago. Jakom riwruog Gavanas Ahmed Abdullahi wacho ni ok en ratiro mondo jood bura losi ewi Gavanas e yo ma ok ni kare, ni mar chenro duto motenore gi aguch kongo ndara itimo e yor chik.
And for those saying in the National Assembly that they have done more through CDF or national government than the counties, the public are on the ground and they know. And I know certain MPs, by virtue of their longevity and the aura around them, probably are able to extract more from national government than others. And this is part of the problem, that a single MP can go and get money for roads in his constituency more than what the county government ministry of roads can avail through its budget. Yet the next MP has nothing. You know, on this County Additional Allocations Act, there was a mediation process which collapsed. And now we see there's two bills, one initiated by Senate and one initiated by the National Assembly, requiring us to come out of court on RMLF in order to process the county government's allocation. Will not happen. We will not be blackmailed as a Council of Governors. We met with the National Assembly Budget and Appropriation Committee. We had gone to court first. We came out of that court on the basis of that gentleman's agreement. They reneged on it. We went back to court. And if we don't get justice, we will go back to court.